are experiencing a serious turbulence, but there's nothing to worry about.
We'll land shortly. Now that you have been chosen to represent the school in the debate competition, will you rehearse in front of everyone to reduce your phobia for crowd? Okay, Ma. Okay, good afternoon everyone. I'll love to tell you about active voice. Voice in grammar is realized in two ways, namely active and passive. Active voice is realized when the subject does the actions to the object, that is, when an action has been transferred from a subject to an object in a sentence. Examples: Albert kicks up the football. Susan did his mathematics assignment. Eunice slept on my bed. Albert, Susan and Eunice in the above sentences are the doer or subject of the actions in these sentences. The verbs in the above sentences are kicks up, did, and slept. The objects or the receivers of the above actions are the football, mathematics assignment and my bed.
Please do not forget to subscribe, like and share.